Hello friend, this is Nobuko. I'm at Higashi Tokorozawa station on the JR Musashi line, a short distance from Tokyo now. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a pop culture complex and many design manhole covers around here. There might be a manhole cover with your favorite anime design. Stay tuned till the end. Okay, let's go. Higashi Tokorozawa Station on the JR Musashi line is about 50 minutes from Shinjuku Station and 40 minutes from Ikebukuro Station. Tokorozawa City has been developing as a bedroom town for Tokyo. Recently, Higashi Tokorozawa Station has been turned into a beautiful station building which is completely different from what it used to be. There is a complex facility, Tokorozawa Sakura Town. It's about a 10-minute walk from the station. Along the way, you'll find manhole covers with interesting designs. There are 28 in total. They are all manhole covers with designs of the anime characters produced by Kadokawa, as Tokorozawa Sakura Town is half owned by Kadokawa. The 28 manhole covers are shown at the end of this video. Passing through this park is Tokorozawa Sakura Town. Tokorozawa Sakura Town is a pop culture complex owned by operated by Kadokawa Tokorozawa City and the Kadokawa Cultural Promotion Foundation. The multi-purpose complex includes a museum, a theater, a shrine, shopping, and some restaurants and cafes. That building is a museum designed by Kengo Kuma. He has designed various buildings in Japan and abroad, including the Takano Gateway Station, the National Stadium, and the Hans Christian Andersen Museum in Denmark. There is also a shrine here. This video was shot on another visit at New Year's Day this year. At night, this place seems to be lit up with special New Year's decorations. This shrine opened at the same time as Sakura Town in November 2020. The official name of the shrine is Musashi no Nimatsuru Rugashiki Yamato, commonly known as Musashi no Reiwa Shrine. Its official name is hard to remember, but it is a beautiful name. This is the first visit to the shrine Hatsumoden in 2025. There are various types of omikuji boxes. Omikuji is a paper slip with the result of a fortune telling written on it. Many Japanese shrines and temples offer this omikuji to tell your fortune and give you advice on how to improve your life in the future. The bookshop has a rest area attached to it where you can read books from the shop. It feels as if I am in a Western castle, even though I was visiting a Japanese shrine earlier. Now, let me show you the anime manhole covers I took on my way here. The manhole covers I am about to introduce were installed by the Tokorozawa City Water Supply and Sewerage Bureau in August 2020. The Japan's first project utilizing manhole covers for advertising has started by them since 2018. In addition to the advertising project, the illuminated manholes are also effective from the perspective of crime prevention, etc. The illuminated manhole has light emitting unit installed in the steel lid and light transmitting plate attached to the surface. The power source is electricity generated by solar panels installed nearby. The illumination is on from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. daily. Did you find your favorite manhole cover? There were manhole covers with anime designs that I had never heard of. I hope you enjoyed them. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね